Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and this is video number 17 in the 24-day overview of Schumann's Traumerei. So in this video, because measures 17 and 18 are just like measures 1 and 2, what I'd like to do is offer you a side view of the hand so you can see some of the techniques you can use to create specific sounds. I'll go over all the fingerings and even the ones with the finger switches so you can see what that looks like from a side view. And I'll do right, left, and then together. So the way the side view is going to work is I'm going to do right hand then left hand. I'm going to do the 4 fingerings that I gave you in the first couple of videos. Whichever one you're using, you'll be able to see the side view. So the first fingering I'll do is the one with the 4-1 cross under. So when you want to have a note with a little bit more tone, you're going to have what's called a slower attack. So I call that a gentle roll up. So we'll have a gentle roll up here, but then a big gentle roll up here. We want this to be softer, so we're not going to let our wrist go down for this, but rather just touch the very tips of the fingers. Now here, faster notes are going to be played more on the tip portion of the fingers. So this will be more tips, but I want you to watch my wrist and how it dips. And then we're going to have another gentle roll up using the whole finger pad. Then again, tips coming over the top, circle over the top. Fingering number 2. This is going to have finger 2 crossing under on 1 on the F. Here we go, same thing. Gentle roll up, 2, 3, scoot over, roll up. This will be the same. Now, slightly different fingering. We're going to have 2, 3, then cross under. Same motion, just the wrist dip will happen a little bit later. First part is the same, however. Little roll up, big roll up, touch. And then the same ending. Then the last one is going to have a finger switch, 3, 4, 5, 1. So you can see that from the side view. And then the same ending. With regards to the left hand, you'll have 2 options depending on how large your hand is, if you can reach the big jump or not. So I'll do the reach first. So you're gonna have a big roll up here, and then this gentle touch with either 1 or 3, okay? Roll up, touch, then rolling through, 5, 3, 1. The 1 is gonna be a roll up, finger switch on the bottom, 1, 2, 1. Now, if you are using the pedal to sustain this with this, then you just want to be mindful that this gets a larger motion, and then this you're just going to place on top very gently with a mini motion. So big motion, mini motion. This is going to be the same, pivoting on finger 3, finger switch on the bottom. On the tips for these 8 notes, I'm just going to do 2 options now, hands together. Mini roll up, big roll up, touch, tips. Big roll up, finger switch in the left hand. Now on the tips, mini circle. Now I'll do the alternate left hand, and I'll do the finger switch version in the right hand. Finger switch in the left hand. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope that you found it helpful, and I appreciate your support very much. So I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks again for watching.